Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I have another tarantula. In here, there's a pumpkin patch, another mature male one from the same guy I got my last one from. I don't know if I made the video on it or mentioned it in the video, but I use this sword to open up parcels. It's not sharp. I can't cut myself on it at all. Well, probably could if I tried hard enough, but basically, the last one got eaten. I didn't have good luck with that, but yeah, there's nothing you can do there. Pumpkin patches are known for eating, and my female was huge compared to him, so no. Now I made that cut. Push it up against there. And I hold it with my legs. I know I'm not very good with like recording as well, because obviously I don't keep an eye on the phone when recording, so I am aware that my camera angles can sometimes be non-existent, so I am trying to improve with that. I don't know how long it will take, but you know what, flip it. I'm just gonna break it this way. That's quite well sellotaped, actually. There. Small box for a small guy. Ooh, it's different coloured. Nice. Yep. Oh, it's been condensed. I don't know why I tipped them out. Right. And I'm aware this is going to look like I haven't got a new pumpkin patch, male pumpkin patch, because I'm using the same enclosure, because I might as well. There. I'm really happy with this. I cleared my desk a bit so I can have my laptop there, and I got my chair, and my dog sits in the bed there next to me. It's great. Although my cable management is shit, because this is the only plug that I can get to, so that's a bit annoying. Anyway, that's nothing to do with this at all. I don't know why I said that. Anyway, so I've freshened up the substrate in it. There's enough, and I guess I'll get this guy out then. Yeah, one of you suggested that I get someone else to use the camera and stuff, but only thing with that is I can't be asked to ask my brother, and also he would say no anyway, because we love each other, but it's a very much a love-hate like situation. Like, we'll do anything for each other, but if we can make each other's lives slightly harder, you know we're gonna do it, just because we can. That sounds really mean. We do it to each other, so it's fine. And also we expect it from each other. Or he would help me, but he would complain while doing it. Well, not while doing it, but he'll complain about it non-stop. Right. This is well packaged, and it's very hard to open at one hand. Alright then. Let's see if this guy's in there. Oh, I think I can see him through that gap. Oh, truth. Is he okay? Oh, he is fine. So the seller that I got this from told me that he produced a sperm web like 2 days ago. So as soon as he's settled in for a bit, give him a couple of days to settle, and then I'll try him out in with her. Alright. Oh my god. Oh, this is a bit small for him. I guess I'll have to find something else to put him in. Oh, I should have another pot. How's this pot? No, that's a bit bigger. It's a bit shorter, but it's a bit bigger. You know what? Just there. Oops, that was a bit too much. It needs a bit of height so we can actually make the sperm web if needed. Well, if he gets that far. But generally speaking, mature males don't really need that much space. Because if you give them all the space they would want to use, that would be the entire world. Like, you just release them at that point. Because they just want to find a mate. So, I guess now I've got the issue of trying to get him. God damn it. Yeah, I'll put this over. Look at that, where's he gone? Oh, he's on my leg. I'll use this pop. I know. Get in the pot. Come on. Oh, I need to click my leg. No. Worst timing. How am I gonna... Do I get the lid or do I just kind of... Hey, come further around this way at least. Like, if you're gonna be awkward, at least be awkward on camera. You know? There. I just need to... I'm quite good at using just one hand, actually. Are you kidding me? Are you saying I didn't need this? Really? Really? All of that? All that effort to get the bloody lid, and he doesn't even need it. Whatever. Come on. And now we're walking slowly, okay. There. He's in. He's a bit bigger than the other one. Let's hope he's big enough. I'm not sure if the other one was. Actually, no, I'll put the tissues in there. That can... yeah, I'm happy with that through. I'll poke a few holes in that lid at some point soon. But for now, he can go sitting with the other dwarf species. Oh no, I've got to put him over here. He's got to go over there with all the other pumpkin patches because I've got 4 of them now. By the way, I want to point out how many pumpkin patches I've had. Because obviously I had my second tarantula ever was a pumpkin patch. And then I've had these 4. And just to prove it, pumpkin patch. Just done that one. You can see that was a pumpkin patch. And this is the big girl that I absolutely adore. See, look, there you can kind of, you know what? No, we don't want to kind of see, we want to see. There she is. So, I've had these 4, the other one that she ate the other day, and my male, so that's 6. I've had 6. It's still not quite as much as the Balfours. The Balfours are still at the most of. Oh, that is... Okay, you guys don't understand how awesome this is. You know, I'm doing a different video on that. Anyway, I'll do a little video on that. You guys will see that in a... I kind of feel like I've got to post it straight after now I've shown you. So it'll probably go up an hour after this video. So, I'll do a little tarantula update. In fact, I might do a time lapse. It's a bit late for that. Bit late. Anyway, yeah, she weren't molting this morning. I got out. Fuck it, I've got time. I got up about 8 o'clock, and it's currently 10 to 11. When I got up, she hadn't started or anything. And I didn't realise she was in pre-molt. I kind of assumed, but I didn't realise how long she's been in it for ages. She didn't look that heavy pre-molt, so I moved her out of this enclosure carefully and rehoused her back into it. And I decided to put a load more substrate in, just to give her some extra room and stuff. Well, and also to stop this height here. I thought she'd benefit from it a bit more. I wouldn't have done it if I knew how close she was. Oh, look how cool that is. Anyway, thanks for watching. The little surprise at the end was surprising, I guess. And I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned, and I won't see you technically, but I'll see you at some point.